Hello everyone, this is Professor Leon and I will show you today how to organize an essay. What we want to do is imagine the pages of our paper. If it's 4 pages of text, we want to imagine 4 pages. If it's 5 pages of text, we want to imagine 5 pages, along with our works cited page. Let's say, for example, you had to write a 4 to 5 page paper, then it would be laid out this way. You would have the last page, which in this case is page 6, to be the works cited page. You also want to imagine the paragraphs. Each half page is the size of the paragraph, and this is indicated by the dotted lines right here. So once we imagine our paper, what we need to do is we need to imagine it with text. Here we would have the introduction. On this end, we would have a thesis right here. If it's a research paper, we would have the background information and maybe continuing on to the second page, and then we would have evidence. So these are the body paragraphs that you see here. We might have a resolution section, but this is only if we are writing a research paper. Now, that doesn't mean that all research papers have to have a resolution section and they have to have a background section, but usually they do. All papers, regardless if they're research papers or non-research papers, have to have a conclusion, along with the works cited page. Basically, this is a layout of what a paper would look like. Now, if it's a non-research paper, we would not have the background information section, and we would not have the resolution section. So it would just be the introduction, the body paragraphs, the conclusion, followed by the works cited page. I'm going to give you an example here of how to set up and organize a research paper and also a non-research paper. Here we have a thesis statement. The blank arts movement should not be discriminated against in the art industry because their artwork is unique and original, unlike other groups. They contribute to the welfare of their communities, and their artists work hard to get funding on their own. Now, broken down, you have the core of the thesis's argument. The arts movement should not be discriminated against in the art industry. And then you have 3 reasons. Their artwork is unique and original. They contribute to their communities. Their artists work hard to get funding on their own. We want to make sure that all of our points in the thesis statement are addressed in the body paragraphs. So how do we do this? We first want to lay out where our points are going to be. We first start this with the thesis statement. We would put the thesis statement in the first page, and then we would put the topic sentences that refer to each point in the thesis. There could be multiple topic sentences. For example, this point, their artwork is unique and original, unlike other groups. The way that it would look like here is we would have more than one topic sentence for that point. So the arts movement should not be discriminated against in the art industry because their artwork is unique. And the arts movement should not be discriminated against in the art industry because their artwork is original. We could have one paragraph for their artwork being unique and another paragraph for their artwork being original. For this point, they contribute to the welfare of their communities. We would have 2 paragraphs that would discuss that. This is how it would look. The arts movement should not be discriminated against in the art industry because they contribute to the welfare of the communities. Another way that the arts movement contribute to the welfare of the communities is through blank and blank. The blanks are any reasons that you could think about that they could contribute to their communities. That's not the same reason right here. It would be a different reason, and it would be laid out here. And then basically we would have our conclusion paragraph. Now, it could be half of this page, or the concluding paragraph could be on the other half of this page. Then we would have the works cited page. Basically, this is how we would want to lay out this particular essay. We want to think about these 3 points as multiple topic sentences that would create multiple body paragraphs. So folks, we've reached the end of this video. If you have any questions, please contact me via D2L. Have a great day.